Let's now get started with Google Data Studio. I'm at the overview page of GDS, and yes, it says your data is beautiful. Use it wisely and amazingly using GDS, Google Data Studio. The two best parts about Google Data Studio is that it doesn't require a separate sign up. If you have a Google account, which I guess everybody does, you are automatically up for Data Studio. You do not have to sign in separately. And secondly, it is absolutely free. If you look at the gallery tab, there are a lot of amazing featured Data Studio reports that you can have a look at and get inspired. If you have made an amazing Data Studio report of your own, you can choose to submit your report and get featured here. There are a lot of amazing marketing templates, community reports, and community visualizations. Further, the Connect to Data tab helps you know what are the amazing different connectors that you can use to connect to various kinds of data sets. We will look at this further. Under visualizations, you have a lot of featured visualizations, a lot of visualizations from Google, and the partner visualizations. Most importantly, you have the Home tab that takes you to the Google Data Studio. If you do not have logged into your Google account, it will ask you for your regular Google account username and password, and there you go. You are now signed in to Google Data Studio. Let's have a look at the interface of Data Studio. Towards your left, you have a Create button that allows you to create a report, that is a dashboard, a data source, that is a data connection, and Explorer, which is currently in the beta mode. An Explorer is kind of a sandbox or a playground for you where you can have a test on multiple visualizations on your datasets rather than including them directly in your report. Further, you have the options to see all the recent charts or the dashboards, all the dashboards that are shared with you, the dashboards that are owned by you, and the dashboards that you have deleted but you would like to restore. Then you can use the three dots here and click restore or choose to delete them forever. You have the lot of templates that you can use directly and start building the dashboards very quickly. Going back to the Data Studio interface, you have reports, you have the entire list of reports, you have the entire list of data sets that you have, and of course, if you have made any charts under Explorer. You can search the Data Studio right from the top, and not just that, you have a complete help option available where you can look at the product overview, the reports, the new features, a lot of interesting video tutorials, etc. You can also choose to change your logged in account from here. And then there are further settings that you can use as a marketing preferences, developer options, account and privacy, and etc. This was an introduction to the interface of Google Data Studio. In the next lecture, let's continue our understanding on the data sources in GDS. Thank you.